have it. That's how you change the oil on a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with a 2-wheel drive and 5.3 liter V8 engine. If you would have done something differently, please let me know in the comments below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, or just me seeing me work on the truck more, please consider subscribing. As always, I really hope you found this video helpful, entertaining, and educational. And until next time, YouTube, take care.